Hey guys, welcome to another planner video. Before I show you my planner of the week, I think this is a reflections planner binder piece here. If anyone is interested in this, I am selling this. I will take out my pages that I wrote in, but I will leave you, it's a 3-ring binder. I will leave you these pages, and I will leave you the notes and thoughts pages, any pages that I haven't written on. I will also leave you these pages right here that have the words on it. This is about the size of a 365 planner. It's a 3-ring binder. You can put all kinds of inserts and stuff in it. I'm not going to use it. It has to be Cash App only because PayPal takes extra money, and I'm not going to make any money off of sending you this binder. I will send you this binder for $12. That includes shipping and everything. This is a gold 3-ring binder that you can put any type of papers, journals, or whatever you want to put in it. I don't think, I'll leave the calendar pages that say January, February, March, April, and May. I'll leave the calendar pages, and I'll leave the pages that there's pages in here that I haven't even written in. I'll leave those. Anything I wrote in, I will take out. So if anyone's is interested, just leave me your Cash App name so I can Cash App you, and I'll mail that out to you. This is my planner for the week. I'm still using the Louis Vuitton Agenda. And this is what it looks like getting back to the work week here. There's some gold reflectors on there, so you're going to see a little bit of shine and flash with that. On the sticker, there is gold. Filling in my shopping list and things that I have to do. The hello is also in gold, so that's why it's flashing like that. This is towards the end of the week. I don't have much planned, but I'll fill it in as I go. There is an Ulta store opening in our area. You'll also see the video on that uploaded as well. I walked through there, but they're having a grand opening on Friday that I want to go to. And then I don't know if it's going to stay reflect for you, but this sticker says stay inspired, and it's written in gold, so that's why it's giving you that flash. Not a busy week for me here coming off of Thanksgiving, just getting back to regular life as it is. I hope everyone had a happy and wonderful and safe Thanksgiving, and if you're interested in getting that binder piece, please send me your Cash App down below, or you can DM me your Cash App name on Instagram, and I will get it out to you first come first serve. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.